Good morning, dear students. Welcome to EVS class. We are in chapter 8, which is our clothes. We have completed the chapter. Okay. Today we will discuss about the exercises of this chapter. But before that, I want to know about the activity. I hope all of you have done your activity which I had given last week. It was take 2 chapatis or bread, sprinkle a little bit water on a bread and leave another one completely dry. Then observe them every day for a week. Now, if you have done, definitely you have observed that some greenish blue or blackish grey dots are there. What are they? They are microorganisms, or you can call them germs. Micro means very small and organisms means living creature. Okay? There are so many kinds of microorganisms, but which develop in your bread, they are fungi or fungus. So it is now proved that moisture is essential for the growth of germ. Okay, that's why the another bread which was dry, fungi didn't grow on it. Okay, now if you done your activity, send me the pictures. Okay, definitely send me the pictures. Now move to our exercise portion. Question number E. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. We wear dark color clothes in the dash season. We know the answer. Generally, we wear dark color clothes in winter season and we wear light color clothes in summer season. Okay, so answer will be option C, winter. Number 2. Which of the following is not a synthetic fiber? Silk, lycra, nylon, rayon. We know that nylon and rayon both are synthetic fiber. Lycra is one kind of material from which generally swimsuits are made. It is also a synthetic fiber. So, which one is not a synthetic fiber? Definitely silk. So, our answer will be silk. Number 3. Twisting the fiber to make thread or yarn is called spinning. We have read this. Twisting of fiber is called spinning. So the answer will be spinning. Number 4. Once washed, white clothes should be soaked in indigo powder. Indigo means blue, blue powder. That's why we can maintain the whiteness of a white cloth. Now number 5. The special treatment given to fabric can make it dash waterproof, wrinkle free, fluffy, all of these. Answer will be all of these because the special treatment which we give the fabric, it can make the fabric waterproof as well as wrinkle free and fluffy too. Okay, so answer will be all of these. Now move to exercise B. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. We use dash to protect woolen clothes. Generally, we use dried neem leaves or naphthalines or boric acid powder to protect woolen clothes. Here I have written dried neem leaves. Number 2. Dash is obtained from sheep. We know that wool is obtained from sheep and cotton is obtained from cotton plant and silk is obtained from silkworm. Number 3. During the process of dash, cloth is given different colors. Answer will be dyeing. During the process of dyeing, cloth is given different colors. Number 4. Artificial fibers are dash than natural fiber. Artificial fibers are long lasting than natural fibers. Long lasting means it runs for a long day. Okay. Number 5. Dash is made from crude oil. Answer will be synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers is made from crude oil. What is crude oil? Crude oil is unrefined petroleum which we get from underground. From this unrefined petroleum we can make synthetic fibers. Okay. Now move to exercise C. Match the following. Number 1, sheep. Number 1, sheep. Sheep will match to option D, wool, as we get wool from sheep. Okay. So write 1 beside D or beside wool. Then number 2, cotton plant. Cotton plant will match with option C, cotton fiber. From cotton plant we get cotton, and from this cotton we make cotton fiber. Okay, so write 2 beside cotton fiber. Then number 3, silkworm. Silkworm will go to cocoon. Okay, so write 3 beside cocoon. Then 4, charkha. Charkha will go to spinning, A. So write 4 beside spinning. Then looms. Looms, weaving. So write 5 beside weaving. Okay. Now exercise D. Write true or false. Number 1. We wear the same clothes in different seasons. False, as we wear different clothes in different seasons. Number 2. Light colored clothes do not absorb much heat. True. That's why we wear light colored clothes in summer, as light colored clothes do not absorb much heat. Number 3. In desert, people wear raincoats and gumboots. It is false, you know that. Number 4. Rose petals are used to protect silk clothes from insects. It is false because we use neem leaves, not rose petals. Number 5. Polyester clothes are made from synthetic fibers. It is true. Polyester clothes are made from synthetic fiber. Okay. Now, dear students, listen. I will provide the PDF so that you can write this objective. Okay. I will also provide the question answer of exercise E, that are short answer type. Okay, that you will note down in your EVS notebook. Exercise F, which are long question answers, we will not do right now. Okay, here we end the chapter. From next day onwards, we will start our revisions. I will provide the worksheets. Okay, so start to revise the chapters. Read the chapters thoroughly. Learn the back exercises very well. The format of the worksheet will be the similar to the question paper, but the questions will be different. Okay, the questions of the half yearly will be different from the worksheet. So read the chapters as well as the back exercises for your half yearly preparation. Okay. For drawing, practice parts of a plant and parts of a leaf. Okay. So dear students, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.